Hello. Welcome to Richdotcom Creative, and today we'll be looking at something quick in Photoshop. Now, today's lesson will basically be on how to change the color of a t-shirt into any color that you desire in Photoshop. So first, you have to download a stock image from the internet or any image that you would like to use. So I've downloaded this image, so let me drag it into Photoshop. Now it's loading. So when our picture is fully loaded, the next thing you want to do is locate the layers tab. Now you unlock it. Now it turns to a layer. Now there's a quick way. The other way is other more complex way, but there's a basic way. Now we have something called hue saturation. So just with this layer tab under it, that is where you see the frequency. Add layer style. You have add layer max. That's what we use for max. Then we have where you want to create a new layer. Now you come to create the adjustment layer. So you click on adjustment layer. Now you locate hue saturation. Now with this hue saturation, it's able to make you adjust the colors of the whole picture. So the first thing that we want to do is that we don't want the changes to affect the skin. It's just a t-shirt. There are more complex way to do it, but it's the easier one. So you click on this hand just by the master. When you click on it, now it will give you this drop link where you click on the t-shirt. Now with that click, we are now communicating something to the software that you just want the selection to be done on the t-shirt. So the focus will be on the t-shirt. So after that is done, then you manipulate your settings. So let's say 55. Now you notice the color has changed. The color of the t-shirt, we are able to change it, but it has affected the image and the hair of the lady, which we don't want that. So we will now come to saturation. Let's say we change it. We change that one also. Maybe we change this one also. Now you play around it. Now it's much better. Now you want to maintain the image. So now you notice. Now with this, we are able to not just change the t-shirt, but we're also able to maintain the color of the lady. So now here is it. So you just play around it until you get your desired result. Now let me just drag the image, the initial image, into Photoshop again. Okay, let me do it once. Better still, I can just open it using the Photos app. Yeah, it's loading. Then we'll have that here. So let me just drag it on the side. I just want to drag it on the side. Then we just compare. Yeah. So the same image, the same effect, but we're able to change the t-shirt, the color of the t-shirt, without affecting the human body or anything else. So thanks for watching the video. As we move on, we'll be delving more into complex nature, how to design flyers and all that. So I'd like you to also subscribe, comment, share. If you want to ask questions, you have any suggestions, any ideas, we are open to it. Thank you. Goodbye.